Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in SmartAiBot. In this video, AI will create for us a website. Yes guys, an AI. So we'll just have to answer a few questions. In 90 seconds, our website will be created. So on to the video. Okay, so the first step which we are going to do is we'll go to the search bar and type Hey Leia and enter. After that, we'll click on the first link. And then we have to answer the question, so then I'll know more about what type of website we want, and then we'll generate us our website. So we'll click on get started. Then we'll answer the questions which the AI asks us. So my business is that I'm a content creator. It's not a business, it's like my job type. Then do not click on just build my website because he has little information, and then he will not make the type of website which you want. And so you can click on ask me more questions, so we'll know more about the type of website you want. And I'll build a similar website like what the information you gave him. Now I'll type my website name, SmartAiBot, and then I'll click on next. Write your slogan, any good slogan you have. I have one good slogan. Work smart, not hard. Okay. Now you can choose the type of domain name. If we have when you're done making your website, there will be also one more option that you can also change your domain name again if you want. So SmartAiBot is a good domain name. I think I'll write tutorials. Click on next. After that, will your site have a place for users to buy products and book services? No. In most of the website there's an about section, so obviously I'll click yes. And then just keep on answering the questions which the AI gives you. And this question says, do you have a logo to upload? If so, do so here. Click on browse now. If not, then hit next. I have a logo for my YouTube channel, but I don't have a logo for my website which I want to add. So I'll click next, or if you do not want to add a logo, you can just click next. After that, saying, do you have a website with some text we can use? If so, enter the URL here. If not, leave it blank. They mean that if you have any website which you saw and you also want to make the website similar like that, paste the URL here and then copy some of the data and the text and make a similar website like yours. I don't have, so I'll just click on next. After that, it'll say I have enough to build you a good looking site, but do you want to answer more questions? Click on yes, ask me more, because it's the same reason I told you before. If you just say no, build my website, they'll just gather information you told him and then build off what you told. But if you click on yes, ask me more, it'll ask you more questions. I'll know more about what type you want, and I'll make a good type and also a similar type of website. So I'll click on yes, ask me more. If you had to pick, would you prefer a more professional or friendly design? More friendly. Yes. So just keep on answering the questions which the AI give you, and then once in the end part, then I'll show you what to do. Okay, now this is the last question. It says please click continue to agree to our terms of services. Click on continue. Then you can type your email. It's optional if you want to type your email. and then you can click on I'm not a robot and click on finish. And then it'll be building our website, gather all the information. The AI will gather all the information and create our website. As you can see, it says your website has been created. I'll click view it. Okay, so it's loading. Show some tips on like the options below. Like what is this option, that option. So okay, so this is my website. Really cool, right? And now I'll show you how to edit your website. If you don't want to change your name, you can just click on it, edit the text. Whatever you don't like, you can just click. Like you want to change the Instagram icon. And this is the desktop view. I'm already laptop, so that's why I'm showing like it's will be showing like this if you view it in laptop, or if you viewed in mobile, then it'll be showing like this. And you can also redo your design if you do not like it. You can save your changes. You can change your theme color. You can edit site, and you can send the mail to them. You can also change the domain name. Earlier I said that about the domain name, so this is how you change the domain name. This is my website name. Let me just copy it. And there's also other options which you can explore, and you can also use the options to edit. And there's one more cool thing about this website is that once you can go down and see there's an option saying live. When you click on live, click on save now. I'll be loading. After that, your website is published, so wherever you search it, like on your mobile, your laptop, your different laptop, your different tablet or iPad, you can say, then it will show up. Like yeah, that's the cool thing about the website. And if you like this video, make sure to like the video. If you like my content, and even if you subscribe, you motivate me to make my next video, which I really like, because when I get a lot of views or subscribers, it motivates me and makes me very happy. So click on that subscribe button and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.